Are you gonna crawl for us?
I put this in
Yeah, you're kind of crawling, right? You're making progress. No, you're getting there. That's right. You go get that cube. Katie, you're jumping in front of the camera.
Can you see?
Yeah, look. There he is, right?
This is red.
There he is.
Can I take a picture of Katie? Can you have a picture of Katie?
Why don't you go over there? If you go stand by him, then you can. Well, then you have the cameras pointing that way, right? Why don't you move the cube for him? Because I think Alex wants the cube.